Craving a rich, fudgy, chocolate-loaded brownie, but don't want to turn on your oven? Then you have to try this air fryer brownie. It has that beautiful crackly top, a soft and fudgy center, and loads of chocolate flavor. Let's start with the most important part, the chocolate. Take 80 grams of dark chocolate, then add 20 grams of oil and 30 grams of butter. Microwave this for about 30 seconds, then take it out and mix everything really well. If your chocolate hasn't completely melted yet, you can microwave it again for a few seconds. Once the chocolate mixture has cooled slightly, add 60 grams of white sugar and 20 grams of brown sugar. The brown sugar helps give our brownie that lovely moist and fudgy texture, while the white sugar adds sweetness and helps with the top. Now mix everything together really well. Take your time with this step and keep mixing so the sugar starts dissolving into the chocolate mixture. Now add 1 egg. Mix it really well until the egg is completely incorporated into the chocolate. And now we're ready for our dry ingredients. Place a strainer or sieve over your bowl. Add 40 grams of all-purpose flour, followed by 20 grams of cocoa powder and a small pinch of salt. Now sift everything directly into your chocolate mixture. Sifting helps remove any lumps from the cocoa powder and gives us a much smoother brownie batter. Mix just until you can no longer see any dry flour. Try not to overmix the batter because we want our brownies to stay soft and fudgy instead of becoming too cakey. Look at that thick, chocolatey batter. This is exactly what we want. Line your air fryer safe baking pan with baking paper. This will make removing the brownie so much easier later. Pour all of that beautiful chocolate batter into the prepared pan. Use a spatula or the back of a spoon to spread the batter evenly, especially around the corners. And now it's ready to bake. Place the brownie into your air fryer and bake at 170 degrees Celsius for around 20 minutes. Remember, every air fryer can be slightly different, so keep an eye on your brownie near the end. For a fudgier brownie, you don't want to overbake it. The center should be set, but still feel slightly soft when it comes out. And your kitchen is going to smell amazing at this point. After baking, let the brownie cool slightly before carefully unmolding it. Now slice it into your desired pieces and look at that gorgeous, rich, fudgy center. And that's how easy it is to make a delicious air fryer brownie without using an oven. Serve it as it is or enjoy it warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Chocolate lovers, you need to save this recipe and try it.